Hello everybody, my name is Emily Mayo and I'm a student of English at the Universidad Autónoma del Carmen, and in this video I'm gonna talk about call and teaching. What is call? Here there are some definitions of call. Computer-assisted language learning call was the expression agreed upon at the 1983 TESOL Convention in a meeting of all interested participants. This term is widely used to refer to the area of technology and second language teaching and learning, despite the fact that revisions for the term are suggested regularly. CALL has come to encompass issues of materials design, technologies, pedagogical theories, and modes of instruction. Material for CALL can include those which are purpose-made for language learning and those which adapt existing computer-based materials, video, and other materials. Here we can see some types of CALL programs. We have CALL-specific software, applications designed to develop and facilitate language learning, such as CD-ROOMs, web-based interactive language learning, exercises, quizzes, etc. And generic software, applications designed for general purposes, such as word processors, Word, presentation software, PowerPoint, and spreadsheet, Excel, that can be used to support language learning. The web-based learning programs, such as online dictionaries, online encyclopedias, online concordances, new magazine sites, edX, WebQuest, web publishing, blog, wiki, etc. And the computer-mediated communication, CMC programs, synchronous online chat, asynchronous email, discussion, forum, messages board, etc. There are many types of call activities, such as multiple choice and true-false quizzes, gap-filling exercise clues, matching reordering, sequencing, crossword puzzles, games, simulations, writing and word processing, concordancing, web quest searching, web publishing, online communication, and that can be synchronous or synchronous. And there are some advantage and disadvantage which depend in what computers can or can't do. A computer can judge predetermining wrong answers, for example, multiple choice and fill in the blanks. They can provide immediate yet fixed feedback, suggestions, and encouragement. They can provide authentic information through multimedia text, images, sounds, videos, and animations. They can motivate task persistence, record learners' grading, speech, and learning progress. But computers can't judge unexpected input. They can't provide individualized feedback beyond a predetermined list of messages. Engage learner in rich negotiation of meaning, characteristic of face-to-face interaction. And they can motivate depth and quality of engagement, characteristic of human interaction. There are three roles of the computer in language learning and teaching. We have the computer as a tutor for language drills or skill practice, computer as a tool for writing, presenting, and researching, and the computer as a medium of global communication. In the development of CALL from the pedagogical perspective, we can see three phases of CALL. The first one, structural behavioristic CALL, from the the 60s to 70s, where the repeated exposure to the same material is believed to be beneficial or even essential to learning, and a computer is used as a tutor, presenting material and feedback on an individualized basis, allowing students to proceed at their own pace and free up class time for other activities. And then we have the second phase, the communicative or cognitive call from the 80s to 90s, where grammar is taught implicitly rather than explicitly, and the computers are used as a tool, for example, word processors, spelling and grammar checkers, and concordance, and the target language is used exclusively. And then we have the third phase, the integrative, socio-cognitive or socio-constructive call from the 90s to the present, that divides on multimedia call and the web puzzle call. Here we can see how computers can be used in language class. They can be used teaching with one computer in class, delivery of content, PowerPoint, word processor, web pages, etc. In classroom activities, discussion mediated by the computer or interactive whiteboard. You can see the teaching in the computer network room. That could be network-based language teaching, task-based work activities, computer-mediated communication, CMC, that could be asynchronous or synchronous, tandem learning, etc. And we can use computers for self-assessed learning or independent learning, so drills and exercises, word processing, or research searching. And for distance learning, means individual learners working by themselves at a place and time of their choice, and some extent at a place and in an order also chosen by themselves. Delivering online course content, CMC activities, email, discussion forum, chat rooms, tandem learning, community building, etc. And to finish, we have some principles of using and designing CALC programs in language learning and teaching. Student-learner centeredness, that means to promote learner autonomy, meaningful purpose, comprehensive input, sufficient level of stimulation cognitively and effectively, multiple modalities to support various learning styles and strategies, high level of interaction, human-machine and human-human. Well, to make this video, I took information from this website. If you want, you can click and read some more about CALC and teaching. So, this is all for now. Thanks for watching.